What's up, everybody? It's me, Sergio. I'm with Mobility Direct. Thanks for stopping by our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about 3 of our top-selling heavy-duty mobility scooters. Starting to my right, your left, we have the Baja Wrangler, American-made, BA401. In the middle, we have the PX4, also made by Pride Mobility. And all the way to your right, we have the Afikim Afiscooter S4 HD. Now, before we get started, let's tune into some epic action shots. All right, folks, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed those action shots. Now, before we get started, I do want to tell you a few quick things. Number one, I'm not going to go over every single specification. I do have them printed out here, and you can go to our website, use our comparison feature to see full specs side by side for any product. It's a really nifty feature. At the end of this video, I'm going to put this spec sheet on the screen for about a minute so you can pause, review it, take your time, review every single spec in detail. I'm just going to simply tell you what makes each one of these unique and what they're better suited for in terms of outdoor performance, indoor performance, and or both. I am also going to throw a hidden message at the end of the screen, which is going to give you access to a special discount code only available on this YouTube video. So if you want to buy any one of these and you want to save a ton of money, pay attention for that hidden message at the end of the video. I also want to tell you about our free printed catalog. It's awesome. It has our latest products, discount codes, a ton of information about our company. If you want a copy, all you have to do is go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form that you're seeing on the screen now, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You could also call the number below, speak with our friendly non-commissioned sales team, give them your address, and they'll process the request for you by phone. Or just click right there where it says get free catalog, it'll take you to the request form. So let's go ahead and talk about this. I mean, these are all amazing products, but one thing that stands out about the Wrangler is that it's American made, okay? Shout out to America. God bless the country, America, land of the free. So if you want something American made, patriotic, and that can handle the toughest terrain, the Baja Wrangler 2 is for you. There's nothing that this thing can't take. Put a disclaimer, there are things it can't take, but for the most part, this is the toughest option out there. It's got an 8-inch ground clearance, ultra thick wide tires out of the bunch here, biggest and most off-road capable tires, highest output on the motor package, 2 twin 2500 peak watt motors giving a combined total of 5,000 peak watts. It can handle the beach. It can handle mini mountains in Florida. It can handle jumping over this humongous log at high speeds. Don't do it. It's not safe. It'll probably void your warranty, but it can do it, and it can do a lot more. I've taken a freaking boat and put it in the water with this thing. I've towed an SUV with a boat attached to it on the back. I might tow a train next, I don't know. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to see more videos like that. That's the type of thing we do here. We torture these things to see what they're really made of. Okay, we don't just go by the manufacturer's spec rating. We go way above that to see what they're capable of. Guys, before I get too far, I do need to tell you something really important, and that is about our community outreach program. Okay, together we can change the lives of individuals that are in need of mobility aids that otherwise couldn't afford them. How? Well, all you have to do is shop at mobilitydirect.com. Every purchase, part of every purchase, goes towards funding our community giveaway program. Every month, we find one person in need of a mobility aid. A lot of the times they're either homeless or they're using a walker or a crutch and they can't afford a scooter. And we donate a mobility aid to them. It could be a power wheelchair or a mobility scooter, and we change their lives. If you want to be a part of that movement, please consider telling someone that you know that may need a mobility scooter about us. Not only are they going to get the best pricing, free shipping, tax-free sales, and 5-star rated customer support for a lifetime, but they'll also be contributing towards that movement of changing someone's life. Together, we can make a difference, folks. It's that easy. Just shop at mobilitydirect.com. Thanks for taking the time to listen to this message. Let's get back to the video. Now, the PX4, while it's not known for being the most off-road capable, it's definitely gonna have the coolest features. It's got a DOT approved headlight that'll light up your property like the Alamo, okay? I mean, I go outdoors here and we live on a farm. There's no artificial light out here. I have like one street light in front of my garage. When you go out at night, it's pitch black. You can't see your hand in front of your face. This thing lights up the whole freaking property to the point where I actually feel safe out here at night. It also has some of the coolest features in terms of security. It has an NFC chip. No one's gonna steal your scooter with the universal replacement key. It has 2 hitch receivers that are universal receivers in the back, so you can attach more than just one thing on the back, like a shopping basket. You can attach whatever. It's a medical grade scooter, so you can do like an oxygen tank holder, a walker holder, cane holder, crutch holder. They're coming out with a canopy for this, by the way, soon too. And I should actually mention, all 3 of these scooters are gonna have an option to get a canopy very, very soon. Right now though, the PX4 and the Wrangler don't have the canopy at the time of this video, but it could be that by the time you're watching this video, the canopy came out. Now, this is definitely gonna be the most versatile option. You could take this into a grocery store. It's a medical grade scooter. So if anybody wants to give you crap about going into the grocery store, tell them it's a medical grade scooter, leave me alone. And they should, unless they wanna get sued, in my opinion. I'm not a lawyer, but this is a medical grade scooter. It's not gonna have the best ground clearance. It's not gonna be as fast as the Wrangler, but it is gonna be a very, very reliable scooter because it has to go through stringent FDA approvals to meet that Class 2 medical grade title. This thing has been known to last for 10 years or longer. Before it hit the market, Pride Mobility, by the way, they're the leader of manufacturing mobility products. They don't play around. When they make their products, they make them to last a long, long time. It's gonna have an industry-leading warranty, same as the Baja Wrangler. It's gonna come with a 1-year in-home service contract. What does that mean? If there's something that goes wrong during the first year, you're not only gonna have the coverage for the parts with the warranty, 2 years on the electronics, 6 months on the battery, you're also gonna have a technician dispatched to your home to replace the defective warranty-approved parts. And that's the same for the Wrangler, okay? They're both made by the same company. The Baja division of Pride Mobility makes the Wrangler. The PX4 is made by Pride Mobility's medical division, same warehouse. Now, the PX4, because it is a medical grade scooter, is a lot easier to handle. The seat is much lower to the ground. It feels safer. It feels more stable. The Baja Wrangler seat's very high up off the ground. The tires are super big. There's 8 inches of ground clearance. So it just feels like you're up higher. So, you know, it feels like it's gonna tip over when you're going on really aggressive terrain. So if you don't have good balance, if you're buying one of these for grandpa, PX4 is gonna be better than the Wrangler in that regard. Other than that, this is gonna be a way better toy for someone that likes to go hunting, for someone that wants to pave their own trails, not just go on a nice little nature trail that has mulch already, you know, set for you to walk. They both have about the same travel range, give or take 25 miles. The speed on this one's gonna be 11.4 miles. This one's gonna be around 9 miles, so a little slower. But I love the steering wheel setup here on this thing. And I will say they both have really loud horns, okay? really, really loud horns. Whereas on the Afikim scooter, it's a great product, but it has a really unimpressive buzzer, not a horn. It's just like beep, 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 beep. These people are getting out of your way. They're getting scared when you honk if they're not expecting it. Okay, one other thing about safety and control is the fact that the mirrors on this one are located down low, and when you turn the wheels, the mirrors don't move. Okay, that to me is actually useful and smart, because on that one, when you turn the handle, the mirror becomes useless. It's now pointing somewhere else that you can't even see on the mirror at all. Pride thought of that, and it looks kind of clunky with the mirrors down here, but that was genius. All right, so let's talk about the Afikim Afiscooter S4 HD or the standard S model. They're both capable, the S4 and the S4 HD. This is the HD with the golf tire package, which is gonna make it perform the best on sand, going on beaches, pretty much all around terrain. It's gonna handle just as good as the Wrangler 2. But this is a lot more customizable, okay? You have the option to get a weather canopy with rain sides. You have the option to get a 2-person seat, which I use to take my wife, my baby, and my dog on rides all the time. So the 2-person seat is a game changer. I love it. If you like spending time with your loved ones, you want to take anybody on a ride with you, This is really the only option with a 2-person seat, and it has 2 cup holders built into it. Not a big deal, but pretty cool. You can both have your coffee, whatever you choose to drink. Hopefully it's not alcohol while you're scooting around. And one other thing, Afikim is so confident in their products, they include a 3-year in-home service plan. Pride Mobility does 1 year. What does that tell you? Well, that tells me that they are super confident in their build quality. These are made in Israel. They're imported over from Israel. I don't know if you know about like military grade stuff, but the Israelis know how to make some epic military grade stuff. They also know how to make some really long lasting scooters. I've had this thing at my property as a personal scooter. I beat it up, I torture it. I do the same thing I do with the other Wrangler. I tow stuff, I tow my trailer, I tow cars, tow trucks, tow boats. I go in thunderstorms, hurricanes. It's amazing what this thing can take. Okay, so this is definitely one of the toughest out there. I will also say that the PX4 is up there with regards to how long it's gonna last and the repair rate. Okay, we're a nationwide dealer. We're one of Pride Mobility's top 5 dealers in the country. We're Afikim's #1 dealer in the country. And I can tell you, we get more calls for repairs. I'm sorry, Pride Mobility is not gonna like this, but the Wrangler gets more calls for repairs than any of these. We don't get any calls for the PX4. We barely get any calls for this. Now keep in mind, this one's only been out for a little while. The Afikim's been around for like 10 years. I've had people call me with an Afikim scooter that they've had for over 25 years. All they ever did was change batteries on it. The thing is a tank. It just lasts. It's super smooth, super comfortable, super easy to control, safe, super safe, but also very, very tough. There's not much that this thing can't do, just like the Wrangler. So the choice is really yours. I will tell you, if you deck this thing out, it can be the most expensive one. You put the rain sides, the canopy, you've got a fully enclosed scooter. You put the 2-person seat, the lithium batteries. This is the only option that you can order from the factory with lithium batteries. The PX4 and the Wrangler come with sealed lead acid batteries. What does that mean? Within 2, maybe 2.5 years, you're gonna have to replace the batteries. If you get lithium, they come with an 11-year warranty. Sealed lead acid only comes with a 6-month warranty. The lithium batteries not only have an 11-year warranty, they're gonna last about 7 years, even longer, depending on how well you charge them and take care of them. So I'd recommend always going with lithium. That's what I use on all 3 of these scooters. I have personally put lithium batteries, aftermarket ones, Dakota, with the 11-year warranty on both of these. And I do notice that not only are they lighter, they perform better, they go a little tiny bit faster. They handle inclines better because it's reducing the weight, okay? Lithium batteries weigh 50% less than lead acid batteries, and they double your range on a full charge. It's a no-brainer. If you're already gonna spend $5,000 on a scooter, you might as well get the lithium batteries, in my opinion. It's totally up to you though. Not only that, when it comes to customization, this thing has a solar-powered canopy, which means that it'll charge itself with the sun that's built into the canopy. This thing is freaking crazy how many custom options you got on this thing. You got upgraded motor packages, upgraded suspension. Again, it can handle up to 600 pounds with the upgraded suspension kit. This one handles 500 pounds. No option to upgrade that, 500 pounds. The Baja Wrangler handles 450 pounds. So if you need something super heavy duty that can carry a lot of weight, the Afikim S4 HD is the clear choice. If you want something that is super customizable and you don't care how much it costs, you just want the coolest and most innovative, up-to-date technology scooter option, the Afikim S4 HD is the way to go, folks. Give us a call. Leave comments in the comment section below with your questions. We will answer them within 1 business day. We want to earn your business, folks. Not only do we offer tax-free sales and free shipping, we also offer some of the best rated customer support in the industry. Check out our reviews. You're not going to be disappointed. Again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. I really appreciate you watching this movie and listening to me talk for that long. I hope I didn't bore you to death. Stay tuned because our next video is going to be crazy. I promise you're going to love it. Until next time, everybody, have a great day.